Hi friends, a warm welcome to all of you. Online shopping has made shopping experience much more comfortable and simple for users. Yes, one can get product in the comfort of their own home. However, there is a significant downside to purchasing online. Well, it's because of the presence of scam websites and online stores. If you have recently been scammed and are thinking if you can get your money back, we know how you can. If you have made the payment via credit card, you can quickly get a refund if you follow the procedure I am about to tell you. But before going further, I'll ask you to like this video, share it within your friend circle. Guys, this will motivate us to make more such informative videos. We'll mention the process for all countries like United States, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom. First of all, understand who can apply for refund. There are certain conditions under which you are eligible to get a refund on credit card. Multiple transactions. If your account has been charged more than once for the same transaction. Incorrect transaction. If you have been charged for a transaction you didn't make. Faulty items. When the item or product you made the transaction for turns out to be defective. Return items. If you return the purchased item to the merchant per the return policies. So, for people in the United States, ask the merchant for a refund. If you cannot get the refund from the merchant, ask your credit card provider for a chargeback. Show them the evidence of the fraud. After the submission of the complaint, the refund will be initiated. For people in Australia, ask the merchant for a refund. If you have been scammed on any online store, you are eligible for applying for a cashback. Contact your credit card provider for the same. In Australia, there are specific time limits ranging from 45 to 120 days after the transaction during which you can apply for a chargeback. With the help of the Australian Financial Complaints Authority, AFCA, here you can even raise a dispute against a bank also. For people in Canada, contact your credit card provider to raise a dispute. Provide all proof of your transaction. The dispute can also be raised by directly contacting the bank. If all the details check out and your return is authorized, you'll receive it in some time. For people in the United Kingdom, first ask the merchant for a refund. If the merchant refuses, then follow the way of Consumer Credit Act. Under Section 75 of the same, the credit card provider must give you a refund if you didn't receive the goods or products you made payment. Friends, make all payments wisely and stay away from scammers. Kindly mention all your thoughts as well as questions below to clear out all doubts. Please voice the problems if any. We are happy to assist you. Thank you and have a nice day.